Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Battlefield 2042 unable to connect to the EA servers error. So if you are getting this error, then without wasting any time, just follow the fixes mentioned in this video. Now before trying any of the fixes, first check the Battlefield 2042 server status. So you can go to this official EA website or you can go to the down detector website to check the Battlefield 2042 server status. The links are given in the video description. So if you find that Battlefield 2042 server status is under maintenance or offline, or if it is having any outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the servers to get back online and then you can check. In that case, you don't have to follow any fixes mentioned in this video. But in case if the server status is online and still you are getting this error, then follow the fixes mentioned in this video. First fix is to spam click on the retry. So when you get this error, keep on clicking on retry option, and I think you have to spam click many times and eventually you will get into the game. If not, then here follow the second solution. Second solution is to connect to mobile data via hotspot. So go to the Wi-Fi section and then disconnect it, then turn on mobile data on your phone and turn on the hotspot and then connect to the mobile data and then launch the game. And once you enter the game, then you can connect back to your original Wi-Fi data and you can still play the game. Now if still your problem is not solved, then here follow these fixes. This has helped many users to fix the issue. I hope this will help you as well. So change the DNS settings. What you have to do, in Windows search type control panel and open it. Then click on view network status and tasks. Then click on your connected Wi-Fi. Then go to properties. Now if internet protocol version 6 is ticked marked, then untick it. Then select internet protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4 and then click on properties. Now here click the option use the following DNS server addresses, and in the preferred DNS server type 8888 and in alternate DNS server type 8844. Then click OK and then close it. Now open command prompt, type CMD in the Windows search and click on run as administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type two code. The first code is this one, ipconfig /displaydns, and hit enter. You can copy and paste this CMD code from my video description and then type this second code, ipconfig /flushdns, and hit enter. Now you have successfully flushed the DNS. So what you have to do now, just close the command prompt. Now you can launch the Battlefield 2042 game and the error unable to connect to the EA servers will be get resolved. By following these fixes, you can solve this error. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.